Hi guys, I'm Bethany with ICANN Language and Training Center, and today we're going to be talking about two types of sounds in the English language. These are the voiced and the voiceless sounds. So let's do an example together of what a voiced sound is like. We're going to be making the Z sound, Z, like a B. And I want you to take your hand and put it on your throat so it's zzz. Can you feel your throat moving up and down or vibrating? Zzz. You should be able to if you are pronouncing it correctly. This is a voiced sound. All voice sounds will have vibration in your throat. Voiceless sounds will have no vibration. So for example, let's do it together. Put your hand on your throat. The S sound, like a snake hissing. S, s, s. Do you feel any vibration? No, it's a voiceless sound. So let's try a few examples together with the different sounds in the English language, and you decide if they are voiced or voiceless. It's your quiz for today, okay? So here we go. Ba, ba. Da, da, ga, ga, t, t, the, the, ka, ka, fa, fa, za, za, ja, ja, tha, tha, sh, sh, ma, ma, na, na, la, la, sh, sh, ha, ha, ra, ra, wa, wa, cha, cha, ya, ya. What do you think? How did you do? Did you get them all correct? Here are the answers to this small quiz. So if you did it correctly, your voiced sounds should be ba, da, ga, va, the, za, ja, ma, na, la, ra, wa, ya. All vowel sounds are also voiced. Your voiceless sounds are pa, ta, ka, fa, the, fa, sa, sha, ha, and cha. How did you do? Did you get them all correct? I hope so, and I hope this helps you as you think about the English pronunciation to go through different noun endings and verb endings in pronouncing them in the correct way. We'll go over these in more videos to come, but for now, your voiced and voiceless sounds of the English language. As always, subscribe to our channel, press like, share this video with your friends, and we'll see you next time with ICANN Language and Training Center. Bye for now.